How's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is the CJRB Ruffian, designed by Mr. Dirk Pinkerton, a master when it comes to doing Warcliffe knives. And I've always been a big fan of his knives, and when I saw this one here on Wayne's Sharp World's video, had to get it. So, overall we're looking at 7.25 inches, blade length is about 3.15 inches, and at its widest here, it's about 1.25 inches, and its thickness is only 2.7 millimeters. Handle length is about 4 inches long, and the handle width is only 0.42 inches. Weight is a nice 3.15 ounces, and like most artisan knives nowadays, it comes with this knife seal of theirs, which is the AR RPM 9 steel, which I found to be really nice, especially with like the Arroyo. So this is a really nice slicey knife. It's got a relatively thick enough spine that goes to a very fine edge. Nice satin finish on it. This here is the purple G10 version, but this also comes in a black G10 version, as well as with both different colored handles with a black blade, at least on White Mountain knives. I did see somewhere else that there is a micarta version out there, but I wasn't able to see where that is being sold. But it's nice looking. And this is a very, very nice utility / defensive knife, like most of Dirk's designs, and it is super ergonomic. It's got that very neutral grip, but it's also very thin. Got the nice open pillar construction with the barrel spacers. Even got a barrel spacer there for a lanyard. And I like how he also did some nice recessing of the 4-way position clip. And with that recessing, he even did that with the screws that go right into that handle. So this is very, very nice, even in a reverse grip. And with it being so thin, it really just sinks right into the first line of your digits there. And I wear an extra large glove, and this one here, I'm able to get all 4 fingers on there, even though it's a 7.25 inch knife overall. But this is a really nice one, and I've seen before with his particular jimping, this one here has the jimping where it's not like your traditional where it's got the line on top, but the milling is on the sides, and even into the G10 handle here as well. You get a full thumb right there on that blade. It's super comfortable, and this is super slicey. And it is also very super smooth. It's riding on those ball bearing action. Very easy to finger flick if you don't want to just use the traditional thumb roll. And both are pretty nice. It's a nice little fidgeter. Feels like nothing in the pocket because it's so light and thin. But this is a user, and it is super nice. So I hope you liked the video. Nice, short, and sweet as usual. And if you do like it, please feel free to give me a good old thumbs up, which is much appreciated. Your comments are always welcomed, as well as subscribing. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.